Good morning, children. Yes, I am back. So, have you all read what I have told you in the last class? Yes, we were reading what? Our food, lesson number 1 of our EVS. Yes, so today we will move forward. So, till last class what we have studied? Can anybody tell? Can you all recall? Yes, we have studied about why do you need food? Okay. You need food to grow, it gives you energy, it keeps you healthy. Okay, so you know. And do you remember the 3 meals of the day? Yes, breakfast, lunch and dinner. And what were the 3 kinds of food? Yes, energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. I hope you have learned the examples. Yes, of energy giving food, sugar, jaggery. Remember or not? Yes. Bodybuilding, chicken, fish, egg, protective food, fruits and vegetables. Okay. So, today we will move further. So, for that, everybody take out your semester book and open page number 148. Open page number 148. Page is 148. Okay. And you can put today's date from where we are reading. Okay. So this is the page. Who don't know, we are starting from the last second line. Okay. Page number 148. Yes, let's start. Balanced diet. Now what is a balanced diet? New term came, balanced diet. A meal that includes some amount of bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food is called a balanced diet. Now it is written some amount of bodybuilding, energy giving and protective food. Okay. Now come to the next page. We should also drink 8-10 glasses of water every day. Water helps us in digestion of food we eat. It also helps us to throw out harmful things from our body. It also helps us to throw harmful things from our body. Okay. So, it's very important to drink water. I hope all are drinking water when you are at home also. Yes, don't forget to drink water. Why? Because it is very important and in a day we should have 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Okay. Why? Because water helps us in what? When we eat food, it helps us to digest our food. Okay. It helps us in digestion and to throw harmful waste from our body. जो भी आप खाते हो सब कुछ अपनी बॉडी में रहता है. ओके, सो इट हेल्प अस टू थ्रो आउट. बॉडी से बाहर निकालने के लिए भी वाटर विल हेल्प यू. ओके, सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू ड्रिंक वाटर. ओके, नाउ बिफोर दैट इट वाज गिवन अबाउट बैलेंस्ड डाइट एंड दे सेड देयर आर 3 items should be there. We have read energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. So some amount of इसमें से कुछ होना चाहिए. In this also and from this also. थोड़ा थोड़ा amount सब चीजों का when we eat, it is known as a balanced diet. It should contain in your plate should contain some amount of energy giving food, some amount of bodybuilding food and some amount of protective food also. Then it will be known as a balanced diet and it will be a healthy diet. Okay. Then only it will be considered as a healthy diet. We are eating healthy food. Okay. So I think so all might be remembering. Let's revise once more. Energy giving food, butter, cream, oil, nuts. Many more are there. Okay. Bodybuilding, meat, egg, cheese, milk, tofu. Okay. Protective food में क्या है? Fruits, vegetables and fruits. Okay. So you all know. So if we eat these food items, it will be known as a balanced diet. Okay. So see, in your plate, you should have all the items. Okay, of energy giving, bodybuilding and protective food. And including that, we have to drink water also. Now, from where does this food item comes? कहाँ से आता है ये खाना आपका? आपका प्लेट में where does this food item comes? You will say from the kitchen. Some will say from the shop. Okay. किचन में और शॉप में कहाँ से आता है? सोर्सेस ऑफ फूड कहाँ से मिलता है? What I am asking, source क्या है, कहाँ से आता है? Okay, some children might be saying very good, plants, and some will be saying animals. Both are correct. We are getting our food from both plants as well as animals. Okay. Now what some children will say, ma'am, we are vegetarians, we don't eat animals. I am not saying animals को ऐसे ही खा लो. Okay. Animals से अपन को कुछ चीजें मिलती है. We get something from animals also. Let's see. Plant से जो चीज मिलेगा, it is known as plant product. Plant से जो भी आपको चीज मिलेगा, plant product बोलेंगे. Animal से जो भी चीज मिलेगा, animal product बोलेंगे. Let's read what's written in your book, then I'll explain you. Okay. Now we get food from plants and animals. Okay. The food we get from plants are different pictures are given in your book also. Okay. Different things we get from plants. And can you name 2 food items we get from plants? Can you all name food items that you get from plants? Yes, you can definitely name. You can either say name of any fruit or vegetable. Okay, that we are getting from plants. Okay. The food we get from animals are, now there are pictures of food that you get from animals. Can you name 2 other food items that you get from animals? Now you have to name some food items you get from animals and some plants also. Okay. So I think so everybody might be knowing food items that you get from plants and animals. Yes. Now tell me the names. I have changed the image so that you cannot see at the back, and tell me the name. 5 food items we get from plants. Chaliye. Fast. Yes. Tell me. Fruits, okay. Vegetables, okay. Nuts, good. Then, और क्या मिलता है plant से? Think. Oil, very good. And cereals or pulses. Dal chawal that you eat, na? Cereals, pulses, yes. Okay. So these are the 5 items that we get from plants. Okay, very good. Now tell me 5 items that we get from animals. 5 food items that we get from animals. Egg, okay. Milk, very good. Fish, okay. Meat, okay. What else? Chicken. Apart from these, इनके अलावा और भी है? Can you tell? Yes, very important. Honey, very good. And there are so many milk products. You know that? Curd, दही किससे बनता है? Milk से. Ghee, milk, butter, milk से बनती है ये सारी चीजें. So these are all animal products. ये सारी चीजें animal से मिलती है. Remember that. Okay, cheese. It is also made from milk. तो ये सारी चीजें all these things we get from animals. So these are animal products. Okay. So now you know sources of food. कहाँ से दो sources हैं? Plants and animals. Now next topic is junk food. Now what is this junk food? Can anybody tell? Yes. It's behind me. You might be seeing all these images and feeling, wow, आज तो खाने के लिए मिल जाए. Yes, everybody likes it. But is it healthy? No, not at all. Why? Because if we eat too much of junk food, we'll fall sick. Once in a while, kabhi, yes, you can definitely eat. But every day, we should not eat. Okay, so let's read. We love to eat pizzas, burgers, potato chips and cold drinks. These food items are harmful for us. Okay, we love to eat, but these are harmful for us. These are called junk food. Junk hai. Why? Because it is not healthy food. Okay, it is harmful for our body. We should not have too much of junk food, as we may fall ill. आप ज़्यादा खा लोगे, you'll fall sick. Okay, so we should not eat too much of junk food. Okay, so next is food habits. Now what is food habit? Food habit is anything that you habit means आप क्या habit बना लेते हैं. Like some people are vegetarians. Okay. Some people are non-vegetarians and some people are vegans. Now we'll understand all these three terms. Okay. People who eat only things we get from plants. Okay. They do not eat non-vegetarian items like they do not eat fish, meat, okay, chicken. They will not eat. Those are known as vegetarians. They eat what? People who eat fruits, vegetables, cereals, dal, pulses, they are known as vegetarians. See, dal, puri, sabji, yogurt, rice, chutney. Animal product खाते हैं, कुछ animal product like milk के जो भी products होते हैं वो खाएंगे vegetarians. Okay? ऐसा नहीं है कि milk products नहीं खाएंगे. Milk products vegetarians will eat. Okay? That's why yogurt. Yogurt means दही. Okay? योगर्ट कहाँ से आता है? किससे बनता है? मिल्क से बनता है. एंड मिल्क कहाँ से मिलता है? एनिमल से मिलता है. तो वेजिटेरियंस दे कैन ईट मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, दे ईट. फॉर दीज द पीपल हु ईट दीज फूड आइटम्स आर नोन एज वेजिटेरियन. सेकेंड इज नॉन वेजिटेरियन. नॉन वेजिटेरियंस कौन होते हैं? जो ये सारी चीजें खाएंगे, नॉन वेज चीजें खाएंगे. फिश, एग, मीट, चिकन. ओके, they eat all these और उसके साथ साथ ये सब्जी भी खाएंगे. फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, जो वेजिटेरियन लोग खाते हैं वो सब खाएंगे. ओके, इन द पिक्चर इट्स मेंशन दाल, चावल, ऑल्सो यू कैन सी राइस, सब्जी, एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो ये वेजिटेरियन फूड भी खाएंगे, नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड भी है इसमें. तो नॉन वेजिटेरियन लोग कौन होते हैं? दोज हु ईट फिश, एग, मीट. ओके, दोज आर नोन एज नॉन वेजिटेरियंस. ओके, नाउ थर्ड आइटम. थर्ड वाला आपको शायद नहीं पता होगा. थर्ड वाला इज वेगन्स. नाउ दिस इज अ न्यू टर्म फॉर यू. न्यू टर्म ये आपको नहीं पता होगा. वेगन्स कौन होते हैं? हु डू नॉट ईट फिश, मीट, एग एज वेल एज. इन लोग फिश, एग, मीट नहीं खाते हैं. उसके अलावा क्या नहीं खाते हैं? फूड ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम एनिमल्स सच एज मिल्क एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स. जो एनिमल से कुछ भी चीज मिलती है उन लोग नहीं खाते हैं. दोज आर नोन एज वेगन्स. एनिमल से कुछ भी चीज, मीट, चिकन, फिश, चीज, ये सारी चीजें नहीं खाते हैं और मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स भी नहीं खाते हैं. मिल्क से जो भी चीजें बनती है वो नहीं खाते हैं. दोज आर नोन एज वेगन्स. ये सिर्फ फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स खाते हैं. फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, सीरियल्स खाएंगे और ये मिल्क प्रोडक्ट भी नहीं खाएंगे. दोज आर नोन एज वेगन्स. ओके, सो वील रीड. पीपल हु ईट फिश, मीट एंड एग आर नोन एज नॉन वेजिटेरियंस. पीपल हु ईट सीरियल्स, pulses, fruits and vegetables are called vegetarians. Okay, vegetarians do not eat. नहीं खाते vegetarians. क्या नहीं खाते? Fish, meat and egg. Sometimes they also do not eat garlic and onion. कुछ अपने उसमें जैन लोग होते हैं. Yes, they do not even eat what? Garlic and onion. They are also vegetarians. Okay. And next paragraph. Some people do not eat fish, egg, meat as well as other food obtained from animals such as milk and milk products. They are known as vegans. So food habits में अपन ने तीन पढ़े हैं: vegetarians, non-vegetarians and vegans. And last is what? Raw food and cooked food. Raw means R-A-W. Raw का मतलब कच्चा. Very easy. Raw means कच्चा. Okay, कच्चा means in Hindi you understand ना? That is not cooked. And cooked food means पका हुआ खाना. Like in the first picture you can see chapati, vegetables, two types of vegetables are there. Okay, so this is cooked or uncooked? पका हुआ है कि कच्चा है? Very good, it is cooked food. Okay, so you understand. And in this picture you can see fruits, vegetables are kept like this only. So this is cooked or uncooked food? This is uncooked food. Okay, so this is raw food. Okay, now there are some food items that we can eat raw. कच्चा खा सकते हैं. What are these? Can you eat a carrot raw? Yes. Cucumber? Yes, we can eat. Can you eat spinach raw? Spinach खा सकते हो? No. So we have to cook some food items, and some food items we can eat uncooked also. Okay. Fruits, do we have to cook? No. We can eat like that only. But some vegetables we have to cook. Then only we can eat. Can you eat cereals and pulses like that only? No, we cannot eat. We have to cook them. Okay. So let's read. We eat most fruits without cooking. We eat vegetables such as cucumbers, tomatoes, carrot and radish without cooking. These are raw food. We can make a tasty salad by slicing cucumber, radish, onion, tomatoes and adding salt and lemon juice. We cook pulses, cereals and vegetables such as potatoes and cauliflowers before eating. These are called cooked food. So now you have understood what is cooked food and what is uncooked food. Very easy? Yes. Now it's the end of this lesson. So let's recall. Recall means अभी तक क्या पढ़ा है अपन ने इस chapter में? Yes. Let's start. First one, meals. 3 meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Different types of food. What were the different types of food? Energy giving, bodybuilding and protective food. Very good, you remember. What is a balanced diet? Balanced diet में क्या होगा? The food which contains some amount of energy giving, some amount of bodybuilding and some amount of protective food. Very good. Junk food, the foods that are unhealthy for our health. Food habits. Now, food habits में we have studied 3. Yes. Vegetarians, non-vegetarians and vegans. And then we have studied about raw food and cooked food. Yes. So, with this we come to an end. Today's work, you have to read this chapter twice. Okay. Now, in the next class, we'll start with our copy and book. Okay, children, have a good day.